Hello everyone, welcome to Definite Solution. Today I am going to show you how to disable connected user experiences and telemetry. Telemetry is Windows 10 and Windows 11 feature which allows Microsoft to collect data and learn how user use their system. So let's get started. First you need to open run and type services.msc and click OK. Now find connected user experience and telemetry and double click on it. Then set startup type to disable and hit apply. Now your telemetry service has been disabled. If you find this tutorial helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.